Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the flexible LED strobe lights by TJOY, and then we're going to have a quick demo as well to show them in action and just show some of the different colors and modes and things they can do and see how bright they are. So let's get to it. This is the box they come in. We're going to open this up and take a quick look at everything that comes in the box. You've got your controller. This is what's going to connect to the lights in order to control them. You got your IR receiver. Then you've got your power supply. This is what plugs in and then plugs into that controller in order to power everything. Then you've got your remote control. You can control these through the app as well as through this remote control. And so here's the remote control if you just want to control them that way. Pretty simple remote setup. And then these are the star of the show, the lights. And you've got two sets of lights. So you've got a ton of lights here. As you can see, you've got on the controller, you got two things to plug them into. So lots of lights to add accent lighting to your just about any room, and really cool. And then of course you've got your instruction manual, and these do operate through Bluetooth. So let's get them kind of unwound, and I'm going to set up the app, and then we're going to demo exactly what these lights can do. So right here you see those TJOY lights in action. Again, you've got two strands. Each strand is 50 feet, so 100 feet total length to really cover a large area and just add some really awesome ambient lighting. Right now, just going through a little fade, and like you saw, you have the IR receiver on the end of the power supply, and you have this little remote control you can use to turn them off, turn them on. You can switch to a very specific color with that remote if you want to just have a static color, if that's what you're going for. Or you can go through these different modes. Just a warning, there may be some strobing going on in here because some of these are like strobe, different strobe things. So this one just flashes to a different color, and then that one is like a strobe thing, and then you've got your flat smooth, and then you've got your fade where it fades up and down, and that's using this remote. You can control that. You can also, if you have it on a particular color, you can control the brightness level. You can see it gets dimmer and gets brighter. And so that's with the app, but I mean that's with the remote, but you can also control it with the app. It's really easy. You just install the app, use the code that's in the manual, and then you connect through Bluetooth. It's not Wi-Fi. You just connect to Bluetooth when you're around, and then using that you can demo them. You can make them brighter. You can make a specific color. You can use one of these colors down here, these built-in colors, if you want. And again, you can dim it, make it brighter, or you can use the color wheel, and you can also power them off, power them on. And then you also have music, so if you have music on your phone, you can play the music and they'll kind of react to the music. Or you can go to your mic phone and you'll see now they're going to flash as they hear me talk. It's using the microphone in my phone. You can lower the sensitivity and you see it's a little bit less. Medium sensitivity. So if you were playing music, you could set your phone out and have them react to the music. And then you also have these different styles. Again, a warning, you may be some strobing here. In the styles, you can control different speeds. So here's jumping to different colors, presets. Ooh, that's way too fast. Let's go there. Just a couple different things. This is going to be strobing, just to warn you. And you can control the speed on that. This is pulsating, and this is just between red and blue. So you've got like, with these, you got like two color combinations you can go through. And I'm going to change it to fast so we can get through these really quick. Pulsating just one color, where it just fades out and fades back in. Pulsating rainbow, where it goes through different colors. So again, just a lot of different things you can do through the app, using the app or the remote control. They are 250 foot, so a total of 100 feet of lights that you have. They do have sticky stuff on the back so to help you stick it to something if you're trying to do that, if you're trying to mount it somewhere. Just a very simple but great if you're just looking to add some cool ambient lighting to your bedroom or TV room or something. Then really good solid LED light strips from TJOY. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.